Hello friends, welcome back to Sankaran's Genuine Take. So this channel is to do 100% genuine product review, non-sponsored video. So I do buy the product on my own. I do thoroughly test them and experience the feel of them. So before giving the actual review to you. So today we are going to talk about the multi-purpose hook, which comes with 6 hook holders. So let's see in the detail. So as you see, I have ordered this from Amazon metal hook. So it got delivered within 1 or 2 days. And as you see guys, my son is sitting next to me, always disturbs me during the unpacking. He always curious to know what's inside. Sometimes I usually return the product if I am not satisfied, but this case these metal hooks, it's worth to buy. It's basically a multi-purpose hook, so you can use it for many purposes. You can holding for caps, keys, so many things. You don't need to screw your walls, so you can just plug and play in your walls. So as you see, this is the black color I have ordered from the Amazon. So it got delivered as shown in the Amazon web page. So there are 6 hooks are there. So inside the box I found there are 2 holders. So this also you can put it in your wall. After that you can hang these 2 hooks. As you see, there is a small hole is there in the bottom of the hook. So that's because of there is a 2 holders are there, so you can put it and then after that you can hang it. So for this I ordered to hang the caps. So as you see, this is my Amazon order. I ordered for $299 and it got delivered on 11th November. So this is the product page where you can find all the details. This is basically from the LIMBANI brothers company, and you can use this for multi-purpose. You can hang the holders, and this is the price is $299 and it comes with 10 days returnable and warranty policy also there. It's not the replacement, so you can return also if you don't satisfied. So I ordered for the black color and number of hooks are 2. So this is the dimension and everything. So all other specifications they have mentioned it. So it comes with the rust resistant. And these all are the dimensions, and as you see, it can hold for the curbs and basically in the kitchen, so you can use for many things. The shirt tie, some kitchen utensils also you can hang it up. And it also comes with some good number of review, 4.2 out of 5. As you see, they have reviewed. So let's talk about the likes and dislikes about this metal hook. So the what I personally feel about this one is the build quality is nice, really nice. And the second point what I like about this one is it's a multi-purpose one, so you can use it for holding the coffee mugs, caps, or some kitchen utensils. Also in your living space, the decorative area where you can put some innovative design things. So that's I really like it. And the third one what I really like is, so you don't need to screw your walls to hang something. So if you have some cupboards or some doors which has some door space, so you can just block it and start using it. So that's what I really like about this product. What I dislike about this product is it comes with the 6 holders. If you look at the 6 holders, it's little bit closer range. Suppose if you are keeping the cap and all, it will be little bit disturbed in one another. It could be like little bit lengthier, and the holder space also little bit wider. Otherwise this is nice. The second point what I dislike about this one is this is the metal one. I am not sure about for the long lasting thing how it will be. Suppose if you are frequently washing this one, So during that time the rusting will happen, I think. Otherwise it will be okay. So if you found this product review is very helpful and useful to you, so please do subscribe the channel. So your biggest support is always do the subscription. Also please comment on the product and model name to be reviewed next, so I will pick those products for the upcoming reviews. Again, we will meet with the another good product review. Until then, bye from Sankaran. Stay positive, stay healthy. Cheers.